Hello my students, how are you? Grade 6. Today I will explain from volume 1 book, first term in this year 2026. Okay, look at with me. First review. First we will review about lessons like this estimate and decimal, quotient, okay, from grade 5. Look at here, first vocabulary. Here we have computable, decimal, divisor, estimate, quotient. Choose the best term for the box to complete each definition. Number 1. Numbers that are easy to compute. Mental are, we called it compute numbers. Computable numbers. Numbers that are easy to compute. Mentally, we called it computable numbers. And next question, number 2. The number used to divide is the divisor. The number used to divide, we call it divisor, like 30 divided by 5 equals 6. 6 is the quotient and 5 is the divisor, and 30 we call it the dividend. He asked about the number used to divide is divisor. We can write here divisor. Next question, number 3. And space is an approximate number. It's rounding. Rounding meaning estimate or approximating to the nearest number. Question number 4. The result of division, we call this the quotient. The quotient, okay. The quotient is the result of a division problem is a quotient. Whole number operation. Calculate each value. He won't find the value of each digit here. Question number 5. This number divided by 4 equal what? We can use division algorithm like this and then find the result like this. You can raise the dividend here, 348 divided by 4. 3 divided by 4, we can do it. Then 34 divided by 4 equal what? 4 times 8 equal 32. And then find the difference. 4 minus 2 equal 2. Then drop 8. 28 divided by 4 equals 7. 4 times 7 equal 28. Then the quotient here will be 87. And the difference between 9,005 and 7 subtract by 3,128 equal 7 minus 8. We can do it. Bor 1 from 9 will be 8 and 0 will be 10. Bor 1 will be 9. Bor 1 10. Bor 1 from 10 will be 9 and 7 will be 17. 17 minus 8 will be 9. 9 minus 2 equals 7 and 9 minus 1 equal 8. 9 minus 3 equals 6. The result will be 6,000. 9 here will be 8. 8 minus 3 equal 5. 5,879. Next question, number 8. We have 7,964 add to 3,872. 4 plus 2 equals 6. 6 plus 7 equals 13. 3 and the carry up 1. 9 plus 1 10. 10 plus 8 18. 8 and the carry up 1. 7 plus 1 8. 8 plus 3 equal 11. The result will be 11,836. And question number 9. We have 4,638 divided by 22. 4 divided by 22, we can do it. Then 46 divided by 22 equal to 2 times 22 equal 44. And then we can find the difference. 6 minus 4 equal 2. 4 minus 4 is 0 and then draw 3. 23 divided by 22 equal 1. 1 times 22 equal 22 nearest to 23. And then 23 subtract by 22 equal 1 and then drop 8 here. The result will be 18. 18 divided by 22, it will be 0. Then the result here will be 210 and the remainder 18. Next question, number 10. 181 product by 42. we can write 181 up and 42 down, and write 2 times 1 equal 2, 2 times 8 16, 6 and carry up 1, 1 times 2 2 plus 1 equal 3, and then we write 0, 1 times 4 equal 4, 4 times 8 32, write 2 and carry up 3, 1 times 4 4 plus 3 equals 7, and then we can add together 6 plus 4 10, 0 and carry up 1, 4 plus 2 6, and then write 7. The result will be 7602. Next question, mixed number and fraction. We have here 8 and third. We can convert from mixed number to improper, right? 3 in the numerator, 3 times 8 24, 24 plus 1 equal 25, and we have 5 and 3 over 5. We can write 5 in the numerator, 5 times 5 25, 25 plus 3 equal 28, then the result will be 28 over 5. Next question, number 15. We have 24 over 7. 24 over 7. We can write 7 here. 7 times what equal number nearest to 24? 7 times 3. 3 times 7, 21. Count from 21 to 24. 21, 22, 23, 24. Then the remainder will be 3. And what about 43? Divided by 9, write 9 here. 9 times what? 9 times 4 equal 36. 36 plus 7 equal 43. And the remainder here 7. We can convert from proper to mixed number. And next question, vocabulary expression. Question 19. How are the expression force of 12 and 12 divided by 4 related? We have force of 12, it's meaning 12 divided by 4 equal 3, and also 12 divided by 4 equal 3. They are equivalent. Okay, force of 12 means divide 12 into 4 equal parts and take one of the 4 parts, and 12 divided by 4 means to divide 12 into 4 equal parts. Decimal number here. We have the vertical, count the vertical and the part. The vertical reverse to the tenths and the square reverse to hundredths. Then we can count here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. We have 7 vertical, right? 0.7, and hundredths will be 3, then the result will be 73 hundredths. The answer here will be 73 hundredths. Okay, in the simple answer, the grid represents one whole and has 100 parts. 73 parts or 73 hundredths are shared. Next page, language development about x-axis and y-axis, and we have decimal and fraction. We can convert from decimal to fraction. If the point after one place, we must divide it by 100. Okay, look at here. This number, you won't write decimal and fractions. Convert from decimal to fraction, like this number 0.2. We can convert from decimal to fraction. It will be 2 over 10 because the point after one place. Then we can divide it by 2. The result will be 1 over 5. 2 divided by 2 1, 10 divided by 2 equal 5. And also if we write 25 hundredths, it will be 25 over 100. It will be fourths. And also if we have 75 hundredths, it will be 75 over 100. Then the result will be 3 over 4, and so on. Okay, and next page, we can do like this number. We can write 28 hundredths times 4 and draw in this place about the product. Look at here. We have 0.28 product by 4. 4 times 8 32, right? 2 and carry up 3. 2 times 4 8 plus 3 11, 1 and carry up 1. 0 times 4 0, 0 plus 1 equal 1. Then the point will be after 2 places. The result will be 1 and 12 hundredths. And next question, focus on math practice. This example, look for relations. Suppose that in this question here. Suppose that Maxine made another windmill like this model by connecting four cardboard tubes that each 2.8 meters long. What is the combined measure of the model, and what relation do you see in the factor you use? Here above explain the helps. We have 2.4 product by what? The answer here 0.28 times 4 equal 1.12. Okay, we can find the answer. Colored the first part, all things in it, and the other part we have 1/10 and also 2 in the hundredths. The result will be 1 and 12 hundredths. 1 and 12 hundredths. And the result will be 1 and 12 hundredths. We can write the answer 11.2 meters. The simple answer is the answer here. The point will be after two places, 1.1 and 2. 1.1 and 2. Okay. The digit is the fraction. He asked about what is the number if we product by 10. We must move the point right hand side by one place. Like this, 1.1 and 2 product by 10. We must move the point right hand side by one place, write 1 point and 2. Result will be 11 and 2/10. The digits in the factors are same, and the number of decimal places in the product is equal to the sum decimal places in the factors. Okay, look at the example here. We have a clock. This number 50.9 seconds, and Martin's time 0.26 longer. We can find the difference between them. And now we review about addition, about two numbers here. If you must add two number, we must write 0 to hand side, equal parts, write 50 and 9/10, 8 to 26 hundredths. We must put 0 here and equal 6 plus 0 equals 6, 2 plus 9 11, 1 and the carry up 1, 1 plus 0 equal 1, and write 5. The result will be 51 and 16 hundredths. And we can round the number to the nearest ones, to the nearest whole number, like 50.9. We can approximating this number to the nearest whole numbers. Here 0, 9 can give 1, yes. The result will be 51. Okay, and we can round this number also, 0.26, approximate to the nearest tenses. 6 can give 1, yes, because 6 digit here will be rich. 6 can give 1. We have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 can give 1 to left hand side. The result will be 0.3. So the total number will be 51 and 3/10, 8 together the result. Here he asked about the sum. We must put 0 to right hand side here to find the result. You must equal parts when you find the result. Next question. Look at the question here. Suppose that Martin finished the race 47 thousandths after cap. What was Martin time in the race? Use estimate, check your answer. We have the number here 0.47. Okay, look at the distance down. The distance here we have 0.26 and here 50 and 9. We can add together to find the result. The result will be what? 0 plus 6 equals 6, and 9 plus 2 11, 1 and the carry up 1. Then the answer will be 51 and 16 hundredths. And then you can add this number. He asked about after 47 second camp. What the answer here will be? 51 and 37 hundredths. He add here 1 and 2, 21 hundredths to find the result. Okay. Okay, we can add together to find the result. The result will be 51 and 16 hundredths. And convex me here by this example. He asked about if Martin finished the race at 267,000 seconds after Kim, you need to add 267,000 to 50 and 9 tenths to solve the problem. And how is adding 0.267 to 50 and 9 tenths different from adding? Okay, the answer here about this example, when you add 0.267, you need to annex 2 zeros to this number. 50 and 9 tenths, we must put double zero to right hand side to add together. Okay, right here 50 and 9, we must put double zero to add together. We have 0.26 and 7. We must equal parts, put double zero by right hand side to find the sum. Okay, example number 2, page number 11. Look at here. Amy race in 20 and 17 seconds. Kate finished the race 0.258 seconds before Amy. How long did it take Katie to run race? We can find the difference between two numbers. We can write the first here 20 and 7 tenths subtract by 0.258. We must put double zero here to equal parts. And then 7 minus or 0 minus 8, we can do it per 1 6, it will be 10. And then 10 minus 8 equal 2. And 9 minus 5 equal 4. 6 minus 2 equal 4. 0 minus 0 0. And then we can write 2 here. The result will be 20 and 442 thousandths. Okay, you must equal parts. Try it. Suppose that Kate finished the race 1300 seconds before Amy. What was Kitty's time in the race? Use estimate to check that your answer is reachable. Okay, we have 20 and 57 seconds. This answer, why? Because 0.13 closer to 0.1. We can approximate this number using restances to be 0.1. And 20 and 7 tenths subtract by 10 tenths. We must write 7 minus 1 equals 6 and 20 minus 0 equal 20. Then the answer will be 20 and 6 tenths. 20 and 6 tenths is close to 20 and 57 hundredths. So the answer is sensible. Understood? The answer here is responsible. Example number 3, multiply decimals. Now we can find the product between two numbers like this number. If you want, find the product between two numbers like 3 and 25 hundredths product by 2.5. Who can tell me the answer here? First step, we must write 325 times 25, and then we must put the point after three places, because the point here after one place and here two places. Then the answer in the number, we must put the point after three places. Right, 5 times 5, 25. Write 5 and carry up 2. 2 times 5, 10 plus 2 equal 12. 2 and carry up 1. 3 times 5, 15 plus 1 equal 16. And then plus, write 0. 2 times 5, 10. 0 and carry up 1. 2 times 2, 4 plus 1 equal 5. And 2 times 3, 6. 0 plus 5, 5. 2 plus 0, 2. 5, 6 plus 5, 11. 1 and carry up 1. 2 plus 6 equal 8. And the result will be 8,125. Then we must put the point after one place and two places, three places, 1, 2, 3 here. The result will be 8.125. Okay, it's the area. Example number 2, try it. How do you determine where to place the decimal point? The point after will be three places, because the point of the first after two places and here after one digit. Then the result will be 43 hundredths times 2 tenths equal, right, 43 over 100 times 2 tenths, 2 over 10. 10 times 100 equal 1000. 2 times 3, 6. 2 times 4, 8. The result will be 86 thousandths. The simple answer, we must start at the right. of the product, and move left is the same number of decimal places in product as total number of decimal places in two factors. The point after three places. Now we can add together this number, add and subtract. Okay, do you understand here? How can you add, subtract, and multiply with decimal? You can explain the steps here. To add or subtract, line up the place values and then add or subtract. To multiply, decimal multiply as with whole numbers and then place the decimal point, so that the number of decimal places in the product is equal to the sum of the number of decimal places in the factors. Like this number, we can add together here. It's a very easy question. About 5.9 8 to 2.7, 7 plus 9 16, 6 and carry up 1, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 5 equal 8. The result will be 8.6. And also 4 and 1/10 subtract by 2 and 95 hundredths. 1 minus 5 we can't do it, so you must put 1 from 4 will be 3, 0 will be 10, put 1 and here 11. 11 minus 5 equals 6 and 9 minus 9 equals 0 and 3 minus 2 equal 1. The result will be 1 and 6 hundredths. Next question. What about 6 and 8/10 subtract by 1 and 45 hundredths? We must put 0 here to find the difference between two numbers. 0 minus 5 we can do it, so you must put 1 from 8 will be 7 and 0 will be 10. 10 minus 5 it will be 5 and 7 minus 4 equal 3 and then 6 minus 1 equal 5. The result will be 5 and 35 hundredths. Next question. What is this number here? The point must be after two places. 4 times 0.94 equal, we can write 376 and the point after two places. And question number 12, 5 times 0.4, 8 and 7. 5 times 7 35, write 5 and carry up 3. 5 times 8 40, 40 plus 3 43, 3 and carry up 4. 4 times 5 15, 15 plus 4 equal 19 and the point after three places. The result will be 1. We have 487 times 5. 5 times 7 35, 5 and carry up 3. 5 times 8 equal 40, 40 plus 3 43, 3 and carry up 4. 4 times 5 20, 20 plus 4 equal 24. Okay, and the result will be 2 and 435 hundredths. Next example. This number 0.9 reduced by 0.212. The point will be after three places. 2 times 9 18, 8 and carry up 1. 2 times 9 18 plus 1 equal 19. 2 and 1 3, 3 places. The point after three places. And what about 9 reduced by 1.2? 2 times 9 18, 8 and carry up 1. 1 times 9 9 plus 1 equal 10. Then the point here after one place. The result will be 10 and 8/10. You can write the simple answer about this example. The point will be after 5 places here, because this number, the point after 3 places, and in the 51 hundredths, the point after 2 places. Okay, this practice you can solve this easy question, find the result about product and 8. Okay, it's all question review. And question number 34, an equation that just catches the following number, the decimal. This 9 hundredths, 9 hundredths product 7/10. It will be 9 over 100 product 7 over 10. 10 times 100 it will be 1000, and then we can product 7 times 9 equals 63. 63 over 1000 will be 63,000. Question 35. The Bright All Shampoo Factory included this number 1000 or 1 and 78 thousandths of the vanilla. This number 6.35 ounce bottle of shampoo. How much the bottle of shampoo is not vanillin oil. We can find the difference between two numbers. We can write the greatest number 6.3 and 5 subtract by the smallest number 1.78. So we have 1.0, 7 and 8. We can find the difference between the numbers. We must put 0 here first to equal parts. 0 minus 8 we can do it, so you must put 1. It will be 10 minus 8. 10 minus 8 equal 2, and 4 minus 7 we can do it, put 1. 14 minus 7 equals 7, and 2 minus 0 equal 2, and 6 minus 1 equal 5. 5 and 272 thousandths. Next question. The fastest speed table tennis ball has been hit about 13 and 700 times as fast as the speed for the faster swimming. What is the speed for the table tennis ball? We can write this number 13.7 times as far. We can product this number by the other. We can product two numbers. Okay, he asked about faster logo. What's the speed for faster swimming? Faster swimming where? Faster swimming here 5.35. And we have 13.07. 13.07. We can product two numbers to find the result, and the point will be after 4 places. Like this answer, the point will be after 4 places. Okay, look at relations. How fast would 1.5 times faster rowing? We can write 1.5 product by faster rowing speed. 1.5 product by speed of faster rowing, where faster running, no, faster rowing speed, speed P before you have the number of the decimal. Rowing speed, where rowing speed here? Yes, 13.99. We can find the product between them. 5 times 9 45, then the ones will be 5, so the result will be 20 and 985 miles per hour. Which activity has record speed out 7 times as fast the fast of rowing speed? We can write here logo, where logo here, this number. If we product this number by 7, the result will be 7 times as the rowing speed. The rowing speed was 9. This number product by 7, it will be 7 times the number. Okay, right, usual. Next question. We have table here, the times. Matthew bought a jersey, plate and hat with $50 bill, and some money he borrowed from his friend. If Matthew got 6.01 in change the cashier, how much did borrow from his friend to pay for all items? Okay, he has now 50. He can borrow from him 20, because 50 plus 20 equal 70. Okay, because he got $6.01 in change the cashier, so he need $20 from his friend. Because the bill here give us this information, he paid 50 bill and some money he borrowed from his friend. If Matthew got 6.01 change the cashier, how much did borrow from his friend to pay for the items? We can borrow 20, because 50 plus 20 equals 70. It's greater than 6.01, because he paid 50. Understood, because the remainder here was 6.01. Then he get from his friend $20. Question number 40. Alice running time for race was 23.1 seconds. Another run's time was 5.86 seconds faster. Find the other runner's time. We have 17 and 24 seconds. We can find the number here, the difference between two numbers. Okay, like this, 23, right? 23.1 subtract by 5.8 and 6. 0 minus 6, we can do it. So you must borrow 1. It will be 10. 10 minus 6, 4. Borrow 1 for 3 will be 2, and here 10. 10 minus 8 equal 2, and 2 minus 5, we can do it. Borrow 1. 12 minus 5 equals 7. And then write 1. The result will be 17 and 24 hundredths. Okay, it's the difference between two numbers. Question 41. Higher order thinking. Explain why 0.25 times 0.4 has only one decimal place in the product. We must put the point after 3 places, because 4 tenths is meaning 4 over 10, and 25 hundredths is meaning fourths, 25 over 100. Then the zeros after the decimal points answer 0.100 can be dropped, so they are included. The answer can be written 0.1 like this. We have 25 hundredths times 0.4. We can write 25 over 100 product by 4 over 10. 10 times 100 equal 1000. 4 times 25 equal 100. We can divide it. Then the result will be 1 tenths. 1 tenths. Next question 42. The wing is of some human bird is beat 52 times per second, where having if a human bird over 435.5 seconds, how many times do its wing is beat? Who can tell me the answer here? We have 52 times what? Times this number. We can product two numbers together. We have 35.5. We have here 35.5 product by 52. The answer will be the point after 1 place. Okay, we have 2 times 5 10 0 and carry up 1. 2 times 5 10 0 and 10 plus 1 11 1 and carry up 1. 2 times 3 6 plus 1 7 plus 1 is 0. 5 times 5 25, write 5 and carry up 2. 5 times 5 25, 25 plus 2 27, write 7 and carry up 2 also. 3 times 5 15 plus 2 17, and then we add together 7 plus 7 14, 4 and carry up 1, 7 plus 1 8 and write 1. Then the result will be what? Here is a point after 1 place, put this point. So the result will be 1, 8, 4 and 6. We can read this number 1846. Okay. Next question, number 34. The students at Walden Middle School are selling things because to raise money for new uniforms. They sold 42 things in the first week. Okay, how much money did they make in the first week? We can product two numbers. We can product 42 by 9 and 4ths. Right, 9.25 product by 42. 2 times 5 10. Okay, write 0 and carry up 1. 2 times 2 4 plus 1 5. 2 times 9 18, and then write 0. 4 times 5 20, write 0 and carry up 2. 2 times 4 8 plus 2 equal 10. 0 and carry up 1. 4 times 9 36 plus 1 equals 37, and write the answer here. Okay, the point will be after 2 places. It's equivalent 388.5, $388.5. Okay, next example, assessment practice. In this example we have part 1, part 2. Asked about this table. What is the combined length in kilometers of the Becher loop trail and the Roddy Payne trail? We can find the difference between them about the first and second. What is the length kilometer of? Okay, we can add together about Becher's. The first here 3.2, and Roddy Payne was 4.2. We can add together. We can find the total. 2 plus 2 4, and 4 plus 7 37 equals 7.4. And next question, part P. How many kilometers longer is the coastal Brazan? We can find the difference between them. The coastal here 12.1 subtract by trail here Snack Bright here Snack by 2.6. We can find the difference between two numbers. 1 minus 6, we can do it. Pull 1 from 2 will be 1, and here 11. 11 minus 6, 5. And 1 minus 2, we can do it. 11 minus 2 equal 9. Then the result will be 9.5. Understood? Inshallah, next time I will explain lesson 2. Goodbye.